The popularity of the laser hair removal machine. In our culture today, it seems that the less body hair you have, the more attractive you are considered. Over time, people have tried many things in an attempt to remove their unwanted body hair, with little regard to pain and expense it seems. Shaving that can leave you with cuts and rashes, bleaching that can cause skin irritation, tweezing that can be painful and tedious, waxing that is very painful, and using depilatories that melt away hair and sometimes skin are some of the methods people have employed in the fight against body hair. Most everyone that desires to rid himself or herself of unattractive or embarrassing body hair would favor a way to do so that will take away the hair forever. Unfortunately, that only comes with electrolysis, which is highly expensive and requires many treatments. That is why laser hair removal has been growing in popularity. It promises quick removal of hair from the root, and pledges that the hair will grow back at a very slow rate. If you are considering the procedure of laser hair removal, it is smart to learn about the procedure, and that you find a reputable practitioner that knows how to properly use the laser hair removal machine that will be used to carry out the procedure on you. Laser hair removal works when a technician or physician uses a handheld machine to push and light beams through the device into the hair follicles. This light is aimed at the dark pigment in your hair, and causes damage to the hair follicles without damaging the surrounding tissue. The procedure is somewhat painful, despite many claims by some laser hair removal professionals to the contrary. Most clinics will make available several pain reduction techniques, including skin cooling with gels, sprays, water mist, or air. There are a great many pluses to laser hair removal. The most important one is the long-term removal of unwanted hair, or its permanent reduction in appearance, which can diminish embarrassment. Any regrowth of hair often comes in lighter in color and finer in texture. If performed correctly by a technician or physician that knows how to operate a laser hair removal machine, the procedure is considered safe. If you have a large area on your body with a great deal of hair, such as your back, chest, or legs, laser hair removal will work best for you. Fair-skinned people with darker body hair usually get the best results with this procedure. With the pluses, there are, of course, the minuses. There is very little long-term medical evidence to suggest laser hair removal's safety or effectiveness. Since every body is different, it is difficult to establish concrete regrowth scales. Laser hair removal tends to not work as effectively on gray, red, or blonde hairs, and it must be performed very carefully on people with darker skin tones or who tan themselves regularly. Having laser hair removal can result in burns, abrasions, or skin discoloration. And since some people don't respond to it at all, the decision to have it done should be carefully made. There are many establishments out there who perform laser hair removal that make claims that the procedure is painless, that the hair removal is completely permanent, and that there will be absolutely no hair regrowth. There are currently FDA regulations in place that prohibit anyone to make these claims. But, because there is no real legal regulation of who can purchase laser hair removal machines, for training on the use of them, or quality control standards, there is a great risk for physical injury if you take a chance with someone who is not a licensed physician, or a highly reputable laser hair removal technician. By making laser hair removal machines more widely available by not restricting those who can purchase them, it might make it more affordable, but it also increases the risks to those who choose to undergo the procedure. It is not worth the risks just to save money by going to someone who might not have the expertise to use the laser hair removal machine. Choosing a person to do your laser hair removal should be a long and well thought out process. Take heed to choose a physician or clinic that will give you a free in-office consultation. Ask as many questions as possible, including questions regarding the laser hair removal machine, pain relief, costs and fees, and post-procedure treatment. Observe the office and equipment to see that they are clean. Talk to former customers, and ask them questions about the clinic or physician's manner and service. Ask to get a test patch done before you make any commitments, and do not make a commitment to have the procedure done at the consultation meeting. Think carefully about it. By taking time to make your choice, you will get the best price and the best experience, and have the best possible outcome with your laser hair removal. This video presentation has been made in an amazing video creator, Content Samurai. Click the link below to try it free for 7 days.